Good morning, children. How are you? I am Deepmala. Today I am here with a new topic, the story of Amrita. Before we start with the chapter, we will go through with some important points which we will learn in this chapter. What is the importance of tree? What are the neighboring states of Rajasthan? Why we safeguard our environment? So let's begin with introduction. The importance of trees. Human beings depend directly or indirectly on trees for their food to obtain energy. Trees also maintain balance in nature. They give out oxygen gas, which is essential for breathing. They help to clean air, water, and soil to make our earth a beautiful place to live in. Plants provides us with many products that are essential for our survival, from fruits, food to oxygen. Now children, if I ask you which place would you like to go? Yes, the forest. Now, let's start with the story of Amrita. This is the true story of a girl named Amrita. She used to live in a village named Khejarli in Rajasthan. Amrita used to get up early in the morning and greet the trees. She used to choose a special tree for the day. Now, let's have a look. What are the neighboring states of Rajasthan? The neighboring states of Rajasthan are Punjab, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra and Delhi. Khejarli tree is mainly found in desert area. It can grow without much water. Its bark is used for making medicine. Its wood is such that it will not be affected by insects. People cook and eat its fruit. Animals in this area ate the leaves of the Khejarli. People in the village of Khejarli worship plants and animals. She used to put her arms around the tree trunk and whisper to the tree. She used to tell, "You are strong and beautiful. You care for us. Thank you. Give your strength to me." Time went by. Amrita was now grown up. One day she went to greet her trees. She saw there were some strangers in her village. They were sent by the king to cut down the trees for wood. The wood was needed to build the king's palace. Amrita was shocked. She went to the tree which the men were about to cut. She put her arms around the tree and hugged it tightly. The men shouted and threatened her, but Amrita didn't let go of the tree. The king's men had to follow the orders. They had to cut down the trees. On seeing this, Amrita and thousands of villagers, old and young, hugged the trees to protect them. Many of them, including Amrita and people of village, died while saving the trees. When the king heard this, he could not believe that people gave up their lives because of trees. He visited the village himself. There he came to know about the villagers' respect for the trees and animals. The villagers' strong feelings for trees affected the king greatly. He ordered from then no trees would be cut and no animals would be harmed in that area. Even today, almost 300 years later, the people of this area are called as Vishnois, continue to protect plants and animals. So, children, from this chapter we have learned that we should safeguard our environment as much as possible. We should learn from the people of Khejali village who have loved animals and plants just like we love and care for human beings. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.